Good morning, students. Yesterday we had done chapter 3, the tool of financial statement, that is comparative statements. In chapter 3 we had done comparative statements of balance sheet, comparative statements of profit and loss. Now today we will start the next tool of financial analysis, that is common size statement. In common size statement, again we have to, this is also a tool for the management, for the higher authorities of the company, for their benefits and for their checking of performance. Now see question number 1, chapter 4, page 4.3. Question 1, page 4.3. First question. Yes, in this question some informations of 2018 and end March 2019 are given here. In this we have to prepare common size balance sheet. Common size is also a tool for the management. In this common size, again we make common size balance sheet, and after this common size PL statement, ये सब चीज़ें हम बनाएंगे. First of all we have to make first common size balance sheet. In common size balance sheet, first point, again in balance sheet the first head, that is equity and liabilities. In equity and liabilities, our first head is shareholders fund. In shareholders fund, see equity share capital for 2018 March 18 it is 16 lakh. All the values are given in the question in rupees, in lakh. Yes, equity share capital is rupees 16 lakh and preference share capital it is 2 lakh. So overall the total share capital in 2018 it is 18 lakh, 16 lakh equity share capital and 2 lakh preference share capital. Overall share capital is 18 lakh in 2018. So put here share capital under share capital is a subhead under the head of shareholders fund. So it is 18 lakh in 2018. All the values are in rupees. And for 2019 it is also again the same value. Total share capital is 18 lakh. Now see after it the next subhead of shareholder fund, that is reserves and surplus. Now see about the reserve and surplus. It is 4 lakh in 2018 and 5 lakh 40,000 in 2019. Reserve and surplus. Four lakh in 2018 and 5 lakh 40,000 in 2019. In this way we have taken the first head, values of first head shareholders fund. Now come to second, non-current liabilities. The next head in equity and liabilities column in this side, the next head, that is non-current liabilities. Point 2, non-current liabilities. In non-current liabilities, in the end of March 2018 it is 14 lakh, and at the end of March 2019, this is 14,40,000. So put all these values here, 14 lakh and this is 14,40,000. After it, the last head of this equity and liabilities side is, in this column is current liabilities. After the head of non-current liabilities, the next head, that is current liabilities. In this current liabilities, the values are given here, rupees 4 lakh in 2018 and 7,20,000 in 2019. 4 lakh and 7,20,000 in 2019. Put all these values here. Make the total of both the years of equity and liability side. The total of equity liability side of 2018, this is 40 lakh. In this side it is 45 lakh. Now see asset side. In asset side, the next head of the next column, the next side is, that is asset side in the common size balance sheet, and in asset side it is given non-current assets and current assets are given in the question. First of all, take the values of non-current assets. Second head, this is assets. In this assets column, the first head, this is non-current assets. In non-current assets, at the end of March 2018, it is given in the question rupees 28 lakh. March 2019, this is 30 lakh 60,000. And next, last head of this asset side, that is current assets. Current assets. In current assets, end of March 2018, it is 12 lakh given in the question, and for end of March 2019, it is 14 lakh 40,000 rupees. Again, the total of this is again same. But a balance sheet में both the sides have the same total. So also in this side 40 lakh and this is 45 lakh. Now come to the percentage. This is common size statement. In this we have to find the percentage of each head and subhead. How we can find this percentage? There is no need to find any increase or decrease in the previous year to current year. That have done in the last comparative statements, but now in common size statement we have to find percentage of each head. How we can find percentage of each head? In this we have to make the base the total of the balance sheet. Total of this balance sheet is for 2018, total of balance sheet is 80,000. So take the base 40 lakh. So take the base is 40 lakh in each case. As you are seeing here, see this 18 by 40 into 100. For 2018 you have to find the percentage of each head to the total of the balance sheet. For this, take the value of this head, shareholders fund 18, its total of the balance sheet is 40 into 100. So 18 by 40 into 100. Then we will get the percentage of this shareholder in this shareholder fund share capital. So percentage is 18 by 40 into 100, this is 45%. This is 45%. 4 lakh by 40 lakh into 100, this is 10%. 14 lakh by 40 lakh into 100, this is 35%. Then again 4 lakh by 40 lakh into 100, this is 10%. ये 2018 में हर हेड को हमने अपने बेस में टोटल को लेना है बैलेंस शीट का, और उससे उसकी परसेंटेज हर हेड की, ईच हेड की हमें परसेंटेज फाइंड करनी है इन दिस वे. सो अबाउट द एसेट साइड, दिस इज 28 बाय 40 lakh into 100, it is 70%. And by current assets, about the current assets, it is 12 by 40 into 100, this is 30%. In this way, we had find the percentage of each head subhead of 2018 by taking the base total of the balance sheet. Now come to 2019. In the year of 2019, these are the values of each head and subhead, and its total is 45 lakh. So students, for 2019 we have to take the base. 2019 में हम base लेंगे 45 lakh को, take the base as 45 lakh. In each calculation for 2019 the base is 45 lakh. So 18 by 45 into 100, then we'll get 40%. Then in the same way, 5 lakh 40,000 by 45 lakh into 100, then we'll get 12%. 14 lakh 40,000 by 45 lakh, then we'll get 32%. Similarly, this is 16%. It's half of this. So if this is 32%, then this is 16%. And at the last, see, this is 40 by 40 into 100. This by this into 100 will get this value. This by this into 100 get this value. This by this into 100 get this value. Now 40 by 40 into 100 will get 100% value. Now for this 2017 19 non-current assets are 30 lakh 60,000 and total of the balance sheet is 45 lakh. 30 lakh 60,000 by 45 lakh into 100, then we'll get the values of 68%. And 14 lakh by 45 lakh total of the balance sheet, then we'll get percentage, it is 32%. And about the this column, 40 by 40 into 100, again 100%. For this column, 45 lakh by 45 into 100, again the same 100%. In this way, this common size statement is completed now. This is your first question, how to make common size balance sheet. This is a tool used by the management for the different purposes, for the different calculations, for the different comparisons with other companies, and for many other purposes also. So this is tool known as common size statement, made by the officers for the use of management. That's all for today, students. Thanks.